Is Sora AI free to use? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you the full review of Sora AI and talk about whether it's free to use or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Sora AI is an advanced AI video generation tool developed by OpenAI. It's designed to convert simple text prompts into highly realistic and creative videos. Features: text to video generation, supports cinematic shots, animation styles, and dynamic scenes. Great for content creators, educators, and marketers. Still under development and not widely available to the public. Pros: produces high quality and detailed video outputs. Can interpret complex prompts with realistic motion and visuals. Backed by OpenAI's powerful infrastructure and research. Cons: currently not available for public use. Limited access only to researchers and partners. May require high computing power in the future. Pricing: as of now, Sora AI is not publicly released, so there is no official pricing or subscription model. It is not free to use currently since access is limited and controlled by OpenAI for testing and development purposes. So that's all for this video.